Alright, hey guys, so I just did this episode 3 times already. I keep forgetting the code, I blow in the mic, I don't know, there's just been a lot of problems with recording this episode. I think I've pretty much figured it out. So this is a top-down shooter tutorial in GameMaker Studio. I have the Master Edition, costs a lot of freaking money. You can get it for free on the website, but yeah, so basically in this episode, it's just a really quick episode. I went through making a player, so I'll actually go in and I'll just do it over this player, and I'll actually improve on this player because I don't actually like how it looks right now. So I'm gonna pick a darker, and then I want that to be black. All right, so that's not what I wanted. You go to the ellipse tool. This is basically just a player model where this isn't actually going to be what we want. So basically, I'm an idiot. You want to click this. So it wrong way around. I'm still dumb. What am I doing? All right, let's see if this finally works. I'm gonna lighten the blue. All right, finally. Anyway, so I chose blue for you know, being good and shit. So you want to grab this, drag this from the middle to around the center, wherever you think the center is. And you use 2 because that's actually what the center is. So yeah, that's your player model. Yeah, I fucked up a lot already. So yeah, then you want to go to modify mask. You want to zoom in on this, and you can actually see where the mask is. I went to manual, and then you click ellipse. So that'll leave you a little room to work with around the actual spray instead of being completely precise on it. So that's actually good for this kind of thing because you're going to have a lot of collision checking and things. So yeah, so origin. You want to put the origin at the center for a mouse look. I don't know why that wasn't already done. So here's the coding. This is basically 8 directional movement. So I'm just going to go through it. What you want to type in is if, then in 2 brackets, these 2 blue brackets, keyboard check, and then another set of brackets. So these are the this is your if statement, and if you press the ordinate D on the keyboard. So if you press, make sure this is capital. If it's not capital, then it won't work. So yeah, if there is a keyboard, if the keyboard pressed, if the button on the keyboard D is pressed, and so 2 ands for and place underscore free. So if on the x-axis in right on the x-axis, so plus x plus, that would be right. 3 pixels is free, so free. Then you want to set these parentheses, like the pointing parentheses. I don't know what you call them. X plus equals 3. So what that basically does is on the x-axis, in the plus direction. So that would be right. Move 3 pixels. So you don't have to like continuously push it down. It'll constantly move you 3 pixels as you hold it, which is a fairly decent speed. So basically, you just copy that into each of these. You change this to A. So that's left. So you put minus on the x-axis, and x minus equals 3. So that'll move it left. This does the same thing, but you change the y to minus 3, and the y in this to plus 3. So opposite to a graph is actually what I was talking about earlier in the last video I tried to create. So it does opposite of a graph. So plus 3 will move you down, and minus 3 will move you up. And I will show you that right now. So I made a test room. Basically, I just wrote to rename it. You just go rename. basically, I just went to background, set it to green for grass. I don't really know. And then you just click on it anywhere, and it'll create your player. Um, well, one more thing. You actually have to have the obj underscore player selected. Also, my code etiquette is obj underscore, and then what it is for all of my objects, and spr underscore for all of my sprites. And this is my room. Yeah. So let's get into it. Yeah, it's just gonna take a second to load up, and I'll be right in. Alright, so here we are. I'm gonna press D. Alright, so I'm moving left. I'm gonna press A. Or, sorry, I'm moving right. Now I'm moving left. I'm moving up. I'm moving down. Okay, I'm moving diagonal, so that's the 8 directions I was talking about. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is 8 directional movement in GameMaker. Thanks for watching.